Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are taking a bus to Busan because we couldn't book a train ticket, so this is the sequel. But yeah, we are just at a bus rest stop now. And yeah, forgive me, I was asleep like 2 seconds ago. But yeah, way to Busan! Okay, so I was supposed to go to Ordinary Flower Cafe, which I saw in Carrie Cakes' vlog, but it was honestly just like too full and I was too hungry and there's just too many people. So I went to a place called Trafford or Old Trafford, one of the two, but I'll put in the name over here. I'm about to get hit by a car. Yeah, I went to a place called Trafford. The owner is super friendly and he speaks English, and I think he wanted to have a conversation but he was shy. But he like plays music out of his Marshall speaker and it's just like really chill vibes. Like he was playing Mac Miller, so that was cool. And yeah, I had pancakes and coffee and it was really good, so I recommend you go there. It's a really good alternative, I think, to Flower Cafe, which is really crowded and not as quiet and all of that, and probably not as great a spot to be alone, TBH. This neighborhood seems to really like pancakes. Okay, so I just got to my room to check in because my bags are heavy and I'm tired of lugging them around. So I'm staying at 24 Guest House Haeundae Premier. And I'm just in like a double room by myself, so I'll just show you quickly. So there are some things on the wall. We have not that great lighting, but we have these lights, so it's okay. There is double air conditioning apparently. Then you have your little area over here with all the stuffs that you need: mugs, towels, toilet paper. Have some hangers here. Here's the bed with my stuff on it. There's a TV too, mirror, and then here is the, hey, what's up? Here's the bathroom. Standard Korean bathroom, I guess. Yeah, so I just need to sleep, but it's pretty decent for just needing to sleep. So yeah. I do like an awkward zoom in. Hey, how you doing? Hey, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna go now. Say hi, Seanne. Okay, we're here at Busan Tower. Aren't they cute? They're so cute.
On the beat.